Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you the best ways to speed up your Windows 11 PC. No downloads, no paid tools, just built-in settings that can make your computer feel faster and more responsive right away. So first of all, why your PC feels slow. Windows 11 is powerful, but all the animation, background apps and features can sometimes make even a decent PC feel slow. So today we'll tweak the important settings from animations to storage cleanup so your system feels smoother and more responsive. First, let's stop unneeded apps from launching at startup. Press Windows plus I, go to apps, then startup. There, toggle off apps you don't need right away. This speeds up boot time and frees up RAM. Only keep essential apps enabled like your antivirus or tools you actually use immediately after startup. Next, Windows 11 has nice animations and transparency effects, but they cost performance. Head to settings, accessibility, visual effects and turn off animations effects and transparency. Older computers benefit the most from this, but even modern systems feel more responsive without the extra animations. Windows defaults to a better balanced power. If you want performance over battery saving, open settings, system, go to systems, then go to power and battery and change to the best performance. Just remember, this can use more energy, especially on laptops. On PCs, it doesn't affect very much. Free up space and keep your system clean with storage sense. Go to settings, systems, storage and enable storage sense and set it to run automatically. This deletes temporary files, empty recycle bin items and keeps Windows lean. Freeing up disk space helps Windows access files faster, especially if your drive is getting full. Another powerful trick is efficiency mode that limits resource hogging apps. Open Task Manager, press Ctrl Shift and Escape, right click a heavy background app and choose efficiency mode. This pushes Windows to focus your CPU and RAM on the foreground task, helping performance overall. A few more advanced tips would be regularly uninstall apps you don't use. Less bloat means more speed. Disable unnecessary background services using services.msc, but be careful. Scan for malware and keep drivers updated to avoid slowdowns. And that's it. Those were the best settings and tweaks to speed up Windows 11 for free. Boosting responsive, improving boot times and getting the most out of your PC. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.